Digital transformation is no longer optional. It's essential for staying competitive. Audi knew that, so they didn't wait. At their e-tron GT plant in Germany, they looked at the future manufacturing and realized that the old ways weren't going to get them there. Too many industrial PCs, too many manual updates, too much downtime, not enough flexibility with production lines, and a gap between IT and OT. Scaling meant more hardware. Updating systems meant 30 minutes of downtime per machine. And security? Vulnerable, with a lack of data immutability. So, they made the leap. Audi deployed VMware Cloud Foundation Edge and brought smart, software-defined infrastructure directly to the factory floor. They replaced individual industrial PCs with local servers, creating a single virtualization platform for their manufacturing systems. Now, software updates, deployments, and reconfigurations happen from a central console. No more on-site visits, no more delays. High availability? Built in. Storage? Stretched across 2 zones with recovery times reduced to minutes. Security? Stronger than ever, with automated patching and quick rollback if needed. The results? Faster reconfiguration of production lines, lower maintenance and support costs, stronger security posture, and a seamless connection between IT and OT. Audi didn't just modernize their infrastructure, they created a blueprint for the intelligent factory of tomorrow. So if you're still waiting for the right time to modernize, this is your sign. Read the blog to learn more.